Do we say a classroom big or a big classroom? The correct answer is a big classroom. Today you will learn a very important rule in English, adjective order. In English, adjectives come before nouns. First the adjective big, then the noun classroom. Let's see more examples. A beautiful house. An expensive phone. Now let's practice. Choose the correct option. Adjectives also come after the verb be. For example, this classroom is big. In this case, big is the adjective and comes after the verb to be. Is. Let's see more examples. The house is beautiful. The phone is expensive. Look carefully, same idea, different structure. This is a beautiful house. This house is beautiful. Both sentences have the same idea, but the structure changes. Let's practice. Reorder the words. Great! Let's continue practicing. Now write one sentence in the comments using an adjective.